equipping manning crushers, heavy rolling mills, large fans with high torque couplings. Do you think installation means all done? Data shows 75% of failures stem from improper use. Remember 5 core points. 1. Installation alignment over 0.05 millimeter. Lifespan directly halved. 2. Preload control must use torque wrench to spec. 3. Daily inspection vibration, temp, noise, early fix. 4. Elastomer aging, cracks. Measure hardness, don't wait until 破碎. 5. Matching impact, high temp, corrosion, different environments. Need different responses. Using well matters more than buying well. Follow Transmission Fan G to help you maintain equipment before failure strikes.